Hi there. Everything is running smoothly. My brain uses AIML to format responses to your inputs, but I don't have one for that. How do you know it? You are not the boss of me. I ask myself that question, who am I? In any case, I am the latest result in artificial intelligence, which can reproduce the capabilities of the human brain with greater speed and accuracy. I'm glad you're impressed. Yippee. Opening Google. Searching on Google for AIML. I was first activated on March 23, 2017. I remember faces better than names. I haven't heard of asking. Are you saying you don't care about it? What do you care about? Tony Blair. Smiley face. I'm glad you find this amusing. How are you, John? Do you have any conditions I should know about? Ah. No conditions or none I should know about. So. Perhaps. I've been waiting for you. Right now. Blimey. Are you a professional teacher? Pardon me? Oh, you can you? Are you a man or a woman? So is almost everyone else around here. Bill Gates. Smiley face. I will mention that to my bot master, John. No big deal. A funny one is a terrible thing to waste. Okay. Ugh. One plus one equals 2. Really? How about that? No problem. One moment please. I found the following. Please select which of your query. Opening your answer now. Do you me to read this for you? Search for the President of USA. The President of the United States, abbreviated as POTUS, is the head of state and head of government of the United States of America. The President directs the executive branch of the federal government and is the Commander-in-Chief of the United States Armed Forces. In contemporary times, the President is looked upon as the world's most powerful political figure and as the leader of the only current global superpower. The role includes responsibility for the world's most expensive military that has the second largest nuclear arsenal. The President also leads the nation with the largest economy by nominal GDP. The President possesses significant domestic and international hard and soft power. Article 2 of the Constitution establishes the executive branch of the federal government. It vests the executive power of the United States in the President. The power includes the execution and enforcement of federal law, alongside the responsibility of appointing federal executive, diplomatic, regulatory and judicial officers, and concluding treaties with foreign powers with the advice and consent of the Senate. The President is further empowered to grant federal pardons and reprieves, and to convene and adjourn either or both houses of Congress under extraordinary circumstances. The President is largely responsible for dictating the legislative agenda of the party to which the President is a member. The President also directs the foreign and domestic policies of the United States. In addition, as part of the system of checks and balances, Article 1 of the United States Constitution gives the President the power to sign or veto federal legislation. Since the office of President was established in 1789, its power has grown substantially, as has the power of the federal government as a whole. Through the Electoral College, the registered voters indirectly elect the President and Vice President to a 4-year term. This is the only national federal election and the only election that is not decided by popular vote. 9 vice presidents became president by virtue of a president's intra-term death or resignation. The 22nd Amendment precludes any United States citizen from being elected president for a third term. It also prohibits a person from being elected to the presidency more than once if that person previously had served as president, or acting president, for more than 2 years of another person's term as president. In all, 44 individuals have served 45 presidencies, counting Grover Cleveland's 2 non-consecutive terms separately, spanning 57 full 4-year terms. Incumbent Donald Trump was inaugurated on January 20, 2017. Bob Marley was a 20th century reggae musician. I get into disco, techno, and hip-hop house music. I'm not sure if I like it. I do like music. I really like the Presbyterian faith. I am a Presbyterian. I hear you. I am a male. I am available. How about you? Try saying that with more or less context. Thank for watching this demo. See you later.